and the Service Tax Department is moving fast to recover tax dues that Kingfisher Airlines owes the government. Now remember, Kingfisher Airlines has been grounded since October and has around 200 crores in tax dues. How is the taxman going about recovering this amount? Let's take it straight to Suchetna Ray, who now joins in with more details. Suchetna.
Flag, but it's a huge flag, that I know.
So far, Avan, it's about 200 crore rupees that the Service Tax Department wants to recover. They have already impounded an aircraft, and they say that through that they have recovered about 60 odd crore rupees. They've also taken control over the posh Kingfisher house in Mumbai. So from here on, any leasing, renting, or even any activity, commercial activity at Kingfisher House can only happen after prior permission from the Service Tax Department. But the bigger puzzle facing the department is that what they do from here on. There's still over 120 crore rupees that's due from the company, but they've also found out that the rest of the aircrafts are all on lease, so therefore they cannot impound more aircrafts there. So the Service Tax Department is now studying all the movable and immovable assets of the airline company before they go ahead and attach more properties there. We're talking about 200 crore rupees. Remember, this is only its service tax. There are more dues that KFA owes the indirect tax department as well.
Okay, thanks very much, Suchetna, for giving us those details. So it's certainly not good news for Kingfisher Airlines. And amidst the speculation of a stake sale by Kingfisher Airlines to Etihad Airways, the Aviation Minister Ajit Singh has reiterated that unless Kingfisher complies with the DGCA's norms, the troubled carrier will not be able to fly again.
Things are where they are. See, all these things, whatever is happening, who is talking to him is not the issue. Unless DGCA is satisfied that Kingfisher has the financial as well as, the safety problems taken care of, they will not be allowed to fly. That's the main issue, and it stays where it was.